There are three main parts of a sheet extrusion production line. The extruder, which melts, mixes and conveys the plastic. The die, which shapes the melted plastic. And the downstream equipment, which pulls the plastic from the die. It adjusts the sheet thickness, imparts a surface finish, cools the plastic, and conveys, trims, and cuts or winds the finished sheet. This is a cutaway drawing of a single screw extruder. Plastic raw material is fed from the hopper through the feed trough and onto the rotating screw inside the heated barrel. The screw conveys the plastic forward. The plastic is melted and mixed, and its pressure is increased. The pressure forces the plastic, which is now called a melt, to flow into the die. The die shapes the plastic into a molten flat sheet that leaves the die at a controlled thickness and flow rate. The melt, as it leaves the die, has a putty-like consistency. In sheet production, one or more extruders can be used to supply melt streams to the die. In monolayer extrusion, one extruder feeds one type of plastic to the die. In multilayer extrusion, often called coextrusion, two or more extruders feed different plastics to the die face.